Well, businessman Karan Sajnani has been summoned by the NCB in the Sameer Khan case. The NCB SIT is now investigating the case in connection with the Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik's son-in-law, Sameer Khan's matter. Do remember that this investigation was reopened by the NCB. A special investigative team that was in fact formed by the Narcotics Control Bureau summoned businessman Karan Sajnani, in fact, now and has asked him to appear before it today in connection with the Maharashtrian Minister Nawab Malik's son-in-law, Sameer Khan's case. Now, Sajnani was, of course, arrested by the NCB in an earlier narcotics case related to the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput last year. Let's go across to Alisha now. Alisha, give us more details of what's happening, because this Karan Sajnani is now being summoned again in a case that's related to Sameer Khan.
Yes, that's right. So, in fact, we had seen that Karan Sajnani was arrested ahead, and it was in fact mentioned by the NCB officials that there was some recovery of drugs which was made from Karan Sajnani. However, following which we understand that Sameer Khan was also arrested, and it was mentioned by the NCB that Sameer Khan is not a drug provider or a peddler, but he is the one financing this entire racket. So now both of them were under judicial custody. However, now both of them are out on bail. But the NCB is now planning to, in fact, reach out to the court authorities and revoke the bail of Sameer Khan. But amidst that, just 2 days back, we had this news break that the entire Sameer Khan case would be reopened. When Sameer Khan case is reopened, they would want to investigate some more people and question them. And that's how we see that Karan Sajnani has been summoned by the NCB. That's because the NCB is trying to look back at this entire case. Now, let us understand what this case is, because there have also been developments in this case wherein a charge sheet has already been filed, and which is why we see that though the charge sheet has been filed, the NCB is trying to reopen the case, because right now the case is with the SIT team of NCB. Now, this
drugs that were being set.
It's not only me maintaining that, the lab report itself.
But there was a lab report which also said that there was seizure of 1 kilogram of marijuana.
That 1 kilogram mentions it's vegetative. What is vegetative is a non-functioning. It's non-functioning. If I tell you, hey, I mean, it's not drugs.
You have written to Boris Johnson as well. What have you written?
Nothing. Just all about that the allegations that were made was maybe incorrect, and things need to be figured out.
And why they have called you today?
I have no idea.
What have they said?
I have no idea, dude. I really have no idea.
You know that the new team is now investigating this case.
Yeah, really?
There's a new team that is investigating the case.
I have no idea. I don't even care. I've not done anything wrong.
Do you know Sameer Khan?
Yeah, dude, I was arrested with him. That's a stupid question.
How do you know him?
Dude, I know like
Your business partner or something?
No, he's not my business partner. It's got nothing to do with anything.
He was financing your business. That is what is being said by Narcotics Control Bureau.
How much are they financing my business for?
There are transaction
What,
details with NCB.
20,000 rupees? Do I look like I need 20,000 rupees for finance? Come on, man. You gotta make sense, my friend. They're claiming it to be contraband. Now, contraband, come on, dude. Anyways,
there are 5-6 transactions and international links are being established.
It's not. Anyways, can I be left alone? I would really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. You guys are very nice.
Rajesh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know, later on, you'll ask me whenever the thing is done, you know? 100%. But no worries.
Thank you so much.
No problems.
That, of course, was Karan Sajnani, who's appearing before the NCB. Now, in the past, he's maintained that there were no narcotic seizures that were made by the NCB from him. In fact, Karan Sajnani has now reached the NCB's office. He has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau once again in a matter that relates to Sameer Khan. Now, businessman Karan Sajnani also spoke to Republic TV, where he continues to maintain that there is nothing from him that was actually seized. Now, Karan Sajnani, of course, is a British national. He was first arrested in a case after the NCB allegedly recovered 200 kgs of imported marijuana from him. According to the agency, it imported marijuana from the US through courier. Yesha now is back on the phone line with me. Yesha, Karan Sajnani over there saying that there were no seizures that were actually made from him. He's continuing to maintain that these were herbal cigarettes.
That's right. In fact, we had seen that one of the interviews that Karan Sajnani had done for our feature channel, Deepavali Bharat, he had said the same thing. He said that some of these products are still available on various online platforms. Now, be it the online selling portals which he's talking about, and he in fact claims that they were trying to get rid of the drug menace by providing some herbal cigarettes to people. But right now, like we see that the NCB had made some seizures of marijuana from him, a kg. That is what the NCB has been mentioning ever since Karan Sajnani was arrested. In fact, they say that Karan Sajnani has several bigger links. Now, these links that he talks about, that the NCB talks about, are the links to some politicians as well as some people famous in the Mumbai circle, and which is why the NCB had taken his custody. But now we see that Karan Sajnani has been summoned all over again, because this is not the only summon that the NCB says was issued in this case, but apart from that, there were several other summons, and some more people would be again called to look back at, to again look at this Sameer Khan case. Though the charge sheet has been filed, but the Delhi team which is looking at this case, now there are 6 cases which the Delhi NCB team, the Delhi SID team is looking at. Now these cases include the case of Sameer Khan, that of Iqbal Kaskar, that of Aryan Khan, and 3 more cases. So the fact that the team is looking at these cases, the cases are being reopened, and which is why Karan Sajnani has been summoned all over again in the Sameer Khan case. Yes.
All right, Yesha, stay with us. In fact, we are getting more news now.